nature forces.
I'm assuming those are the offerings. So. I think so.
Kind of looks like a cape. It's kind of cool. This is beautiful. That's pretty steep.
I don't see it. Is that a nose? Is that what?
See the nose, the mouth?
Oh, I already see it.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, guys. The oracle. Look through here. Look at that! Thumbnail! There's your thumbnail! Oh, wow!
Very cool.
Can't really hear me, can you? This is really neat, though. The old stone pit. Oh, do you see, guys?
Oh, yeah.
See that, guys? Okay, so we are at the Northern Tallgrass Prairie National Wildlife Refuge. It's a tongue twister. But there is a waterfall here. It's, I mean, might be the Lost Waterfall, but it's here somewhere.
And look, you are here.
You are here in Minnesota. We are still on the Southern Waterfall tour. I know I'll be doing most of the commentary. Last time I was cameraman, I realized that doesn't work out well. So yeah, now I'm the host. Know where this waterfall is. It's Prairie. I'm guessing it's not going to be that big of a waterfall. I'm not. It's kind of like some rapids. Like there's like kind of multiple really small waterfalls. Right here. This looks like a really big one. So I'm Deekster Kel. And we're following this waterfall.
This is really beautiful.
This is a waterfall! Wow! This is a waterfall! Got two streams. This is pretty cool. I also like that you can kind of go onto the water. Like there's a kind of waterfall schemes that you can go onto. That water is amazing on this trail. I really like that you can kind of like hop on. Kind of go off the trail into the water, kind of. It's very nice. This is a really cool like scene. If you look out there, it's a very cool scene. Like you can kind of see it's going farther out.
You cross the stream that we just did, you'll end up here, and it is gorgeous.
This is really a hidden gem. It looks like all Prairie land, but this trail is really amazing. There's a waterfall way down there, and either way, either trail in that split, you'll find it. It's real. And it is named Little Yellowstone in Minnesota. Like a river runs right here. It's very beautiful. I'm not very sure how strenuous this will be, but it will be pretty interesting. We'll see you when we see more water or more waterfalls. I think if we stay still, we'll probably just stay there. But yeah. And there's that little fort next to it. We're still trying to walk to the trail still, but it's pretty cool to see this deer. Oh! See, I was just down there. It's very, very pretty. I don't know if you guys are facing yourselves. I suggest you can go down there, but it is a little difficult. I'd rate this hike 5 out of 10 strenuous. It's pretty steep getting up here, like even on the paved road, but again, it's all paved, so you can't really worry about twisting your ankle. I'm not that tired either, but it's pretty steep getting up, and it'll probably be pretty steep getting down. But as you can see, this is the Northwest Waterfall, or whatever it is called. Okay guys, so if you come over here, we are at where? Redwood County Park. I'm up there, but
Let me scoot this way.
it looks, the water seems pretty clean too. That's the amazing thing. We're gonna go down.
Oh, go.
Okay guys, we're back. We are at the bottom of the waterfall. It's kind of steep and muddy getting up down here, but it is gorgeous. As you can see, the water isn't polluted at all. It's very see-through. This would be perfect if it was a more hot day to dip your toes and kind of swim. But if you can see the waterfall, this is a really cool waterfall. It's kind of like, it's kind of like hidden from this view. But if you come down here, you see like kind of a cove, kind of. It's really sweet, and I think there's more waterfalls here, right?
I think there might be.
So, we're gonna try to find more waterfalls. But yeah, I just want to swim. The water's so clear, you can see everything in it. Like, look at the sun. This is where the sun's shining. Look how clear it is. Beautiful. And if we keep going down, this stream is beautiful. We have barely touched it. It's sadly very littered. I really suggest this one. If you just keep exploring, you'll find this, and it's really amazing. So, we're here at the Minneopa State Park. It's really not a hike at all. You kind of just walk on the pavement. But we have the first one, which is not actually the largest waterfall. The largest waterfall is down. So, this is the biggest waterfall we are going to see on this waterfall tour.
It is the largest waterfall in southern Minnesota.
And it is pretty crazy, guys. That's pretty big. And it's not really a hike. There's like no hike.
There's a hike over here.
Okay, so there's a hike. But to get to the waterfalls, if you're just in it for the waterfalls, there is no really hike. You can kind of follow the stone path. Okay, so we're at the bottom. It was pretty steep getting down here. So I'd rate it maybe a 4 strenuous, and it's kind of like slick and pretty steep getting down here. But I mean, just look at the waterfall view from here. You can kind of see the mist coming off it. This is the largest waterfall, as we said, in southern Minnesota. Up against the falls. It's very slick over here, but it wasn't too hard to get here if you just follow the trail. This is crazy. You can kind of see a rainbow. It's so cool being so close to it. This is really cool, guys. Sorry, guys. Ready? Okay. Sorry, guys. I can really watch my screen. It is very slick out here. But look at that. like I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is mist coming off, and some of it's kind of hitting us. Like I can feel the coolness of it.